Okay, hello everyone. How about today? How's going today? How's going today? I am fine. You're fine. Okay. Okay, let's going to start the lesson today. So please take your book, take out your book first, and open the book. Turn to the page 84. Turn to the page 84. Okay, today we are going to learn a new unit. Okay, it's Unit 5. Unit 5. And the topic of this unit is equations of straight lines. Equations of straight lines. Okay, so in the following, we are going to introduce what is equations of straight lines. But first, I want to remind you something. Okay, this topic is, you should not be unfamiliar with this topic, right? You should not be unfamiliar with this topic. Why? Because you learned it before in junior high school, right? Yeah. Okay. But at that time, you just learned some basic properties and concepts about it. But now, we are going to learn further properties and the applications of the line. So, now, okay, in the beginning, I want to introduce some vocabularies we will use today. Okay, so please look at your vocabulary chart. Okay, and you can see on the screen, okay? Sure. Vocabulary chart. Okay, you will help you to understand what we're talking about. Okay, the first one, I should turn off the right. It's okay? Clear? Okay, the first one is speed. It's adjective. Okay. Chinese, you can see it. Okay, I won't translate it. The second one is horizontal. And the third one is vertical. The fourth one is inclination. And the fifth one is coordinate plane. The sixth one is, okay, the topic today, slope. The seventh one is triangle. The eighth one is undefined. The ninth one is distinct. The 10th one is corresponding. The 11th one is the last one, proportion. These vocabularies we will use today. Okay, so you have to learn it and okay, memorize. Okay, so let's see the content we are going to show you. Today, what we are talking about? We are going to talk about the section 1. That's the slope of a line. what is the slope of a line? Okay, first I want to show you some examples in our real life. Okay, you can see the pictures. You can look at the pictures. There are two pictures. Okay, there are two inclines in these pictures. Can you tell me which one is steeper? A or B? B. Okay, we can see this picture. Okay, it's very obvious. B is steeper. There are two inclines. Okay, but B is steeper. What does it mean, steeper? Why it is steeper? Okay, we can understand this way. Okay, if the horizontal distance we move is the same, if the horizontal distance we move is the same, you can see the steeper one, okay, show you the vertical distance of the steeper one is longer than the other. Is that right? You understand me? The vertical, if the horizontal distance we move is the same, the vertical distance of steeper one is longer than the other. Is it right? Okay. So we can see these different kinds of steepness in our daily lives. But now in math, I want to show you the similar concept of the inclination of the lines. Okay, we use similar concept to show the inclination of the line. Okay, so now we are going to show you what is the slope. What is the slope? Okay, let's see. It's the definition of the slope. The definition of the slope. Okay. Let A, B are two distinct points on a straight line L. We define first one. If L is not a vertical line, it shows x1 is not equal to x2. Why? Why? Can you tell me? Anybody? If L is not a vertical line, why x1 is not equal to x2? What is a vertical line? Okay. Anybody? What is a vertical line? You can tell me in Chinese, okay. What is a vertical line? Vertical line. Vertical, what is vertical? Okay. So what is a vertical line? Okay. So you know, if L is not a vertical line, we pick two distinct points. Their x coordinate is not equal, right? Okay, so x1 is not equal to x2. If L is not a vertical line, x1 is not equal to x2. And then the slope of the line is given by, okay, you can see it on the screen. That's the definition of the slope. Okay, x2 minus, the denominator is x2 minus x1. Okay, so here y2 minus y1. It's a ratio, right? It's a proportion, right? Okay. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We define it as the slope of the line. Okay, can you understand me? Okay. And now it's obvious. We can say y2 minus y1, what does it mean? Okay, you see here. y2 minus y1. If L is like this, okay, everybody, y2 minus y1, what does it mean? y2 minus y1, here. y2 minus y1, what is it? It's a vertical change, right? Okay, vertical change. y2 minus y1, it shows vertical change. Okay, the denominator, x2 minus x1, what does it mean? x2 minus x1. It means horizontal change. Horizontal change. Okay, vertical change. Horizontal change. Okay, understand it? Okay, so it's the definition of the slope. The vertical change over the horizontal change. The vertical change over the horizontal change. Okay, it's the definition of the slope. Okay, first one. The second one, we can see. If L is a vertical line, okay, if L is a vertical line, it means L is like this. Sorry. L is like this. Okay, vertical line, right? So you can see x1 is equal to x2. Any 2 points on this line, their x coordinates is the same. Okay? So x1 is equal to x2. Now it's the question. If x1 is equal to x2, we see the differential here. What happens? If x1 is equal to x2, can you tell me what happens in this definition? What is 0? Which one becomes 0? The denominator, right? The denominator becomes 0. It's very strange, right? The denominator becomes 0. So we know in math, the denominator should not be 0. Right? So we say if L is a vertical line, then the slope of L is undefined. Okay, undefined. What is undefined? You can see you can see it in your vocabulary chart. It's undefined. So if we have two situations now, first one, if L is not a vertical line, x1 is not equal to x2, and the definition of the slope is the vertical change over the horizontal change. Okay, but if L is a vertical line, the slope is undefined. Okay? Okay, that's the definition of the slope. Any question here? No? Okay. Okay? No question? No? Okay, so you can see page 85. Let's see some examples about the slope. Please take a look at page 85. Oh, sorry, 86. Okay. 好，各位，双语授课嘛，所以一定要有英文，也要有中文。好，各位，现在我们可以回到86页那例题因为是中文，我就不把它翻成英文了直接来看。各位来看一下例题1，来例题1哈 ，OK。好，86页的例题1呢，请各位看一下，他说，老师这边呢，也可以看投影幕都可以，让教授可以看清楚。Sorry， 这个等一下再看好，例题1来，如图已知直线 L1、L2、L3、L4、L5均通过 A 点，坐标是11， 而且呢各自通过图中所标示的点。好，求这5条直线的斜率，并比较它们的大小。来，各位，我们看一下哈。那个同学帮我看一下这个前面的灯哈，因为刚才要投影所以没有办法，必须要反光灯。我们这个投影机有点老旧。好，来各位看一下哈，来了解这个题目的意思。他说呢，已知直线这边有5条直线哈，那么呢，它们有一个共通点，都通过这个 A 点。那这个 A 点的坐标呢是11，那么呢，除此之外呢，各自通过图中所标示的点。好，各位可以看到 L1 除了通过11以外，又通过22，L2 呢通过32，L3 通过31，L4 通过30，L5 通过20。好，所以各位，我们一个一个来看哈。请问你 L1？目前从图上面我们可以看到，它通过哪2点？有哪2点坐标你是知道的？一个是 A 点，坐标多少？11。另外一个点是哪一个？是不是22？ OK。好，那么呢，根据刚才的定义，有关于斜率的定义，我们可以知道，如果我知道直线上2点的坐标，2个不同点的坐标，那么我们是不是就可以利用刚才的定义？去找出这一条直线的斜率，对吧 ？OK， 来各位，你看一下，第一个我们先判断它是不是牵直线，是不是牵直线 ？L1 通过11跟22，很明显是不是牵直线？不是。好，既然不是的话，所以请你告诉我，来 ，L1 的斜率多少？根据刚才的定义，是不是等于牵直方向的变化除以什么？水平方向的变化，对吧？好，所以呢，多少？2减1分之2减1，可以吗 ？OK， 牵直方向的变化除以水平方向的变化，所以也就是 y 坐标相减除以 x 坐标相减。好，所以呢，这求出来多少呢？这是等于1，有没有问题？没有。所以 L1 的斜率是1哈，这第一个。好，第二个。来，一样通过11，请问你除了通过11以外，它又通过哪一点 ？L2， 各位看到，它是通过32，好，通过32，所以一样的。来，请问大家，它是不是牵直线？是吗？不是，对不对 ？OK， 既然不是，所以呢，我们是不是可以直接利用斜率的定义把它带出来？请问斜率多少？来，斜率多少？各位可以看到，来一样，牵直方向的变化除以水平方向的变化，所以 y 坐标相减2减1，除以多少？3减1，所以等于1/2，可以吗？第2条直线的斜率 ，OK 吗？有问题要提出来哦。OK， 好，再来第3条，来一样通过11，然后呢？又通过31，好，这是第3条直线哈 ，L3。请问各位一样的，是不是牵直线？不是，对不对 ？OK， 所以斜率多少？来，斜率是不是等于1减1除以3减1，所以等于多少？来，0/2，所以等于0。好，这个就差别了哈。各位可以发现，我们这个定义，这个斜率的定义，分子是0没有问题。可是为什么牵直线斜率没有定义？因为它会变成分母怎样？分母为0，对不对？这种状况是不允许的。OK， 好，没有办法。好，所以呢，第4个。好，第4条直线各位看到，除了11以外，又通过什么？30。好，这是第4条直线哈，第4条直线 ，OK， 所以一样的，来，第一个我们先判断是不是牵直线，来，各位告诉我是不是？不是，好，所以呢，来，0减1分之3减1，所以什么？来，有趣的来了，请问你出现了什么东西？斜率是什么？负的。哦，斜率是负的。刚才我们几个题目，你看，从斜率是正的0，再来斜率是负的，所以从这里，你大概从这个题目，你就会发现一个很有趣的事，就是直线的斜率 有没有一定是正？没有。有没有一定是负？也没有。OK， 所以呢，有正也有负，也会等于0哦。各位看到了，也会等于0哦。等一下我们会有一个 summary， 所以会有一个总结，所以各位不用紧张。来，这第4条，再来第5条。来，第5条直线通过 A 点11。好，还有通过哪一点？20。好，所以呢，请各位告诉我，来，一样，斜率多少？来，等于0减1分之2减1，所以等于多少？是不是等于-1？有没有问题？OK， 好，这个是例题1，题目要你求出这些直线的斜率。好，那我们就依照刚才的定义去把直线的斜率求出来，非常的基本，但是你要能够掌握住这个斜率定义这个公式的要领。OK， 2个判断很重要，第一个是不是牵直线 ？OK， 是不是牵直线？如果是牵直线，它的斜率是没有定义的。如果不是牵直线，我们是不是可以直接就利用刚才定义的公式把斜率求出来 ？OK， 好，这第一个注意的。第二个，那个斜率的定义那个公式不要记错了哦。分子是什么？分子是牵直方向的变化，也就是 y 坐标的差。分母是什么？水平方向的变化，所以呢是什么 ？x 坐标的差。这样可以吗？好，这个不要记错了哦。好，来，例题1没有问题的话，那请各位看一下87页，87页随堂练习，来，请各位现在自己做练习。等一下我要请同学，好，请同学上来。OK， 不要紧张，好，这个对你来说不困难，好不好？来，这个随堂练习，来，各位自己动手做一下。要动手做哦，可以讨论没有关系啊。来，有没有志愿的？有没有志愿者 ？Michael 吗
？Yes。
你不可以故意叫其他同学啊，志愿是自己好不好？跟其他同学没有关系。来，有没有志愿者？上台跟我们 share 一下啊，跟我们分享一下。来，有没有 ？A10 OK 吗 ？No， 可以吗 ？A10 没问题吧？可以吗？你眼睛怎么了？那边。好来 ，Andy 来，你来好了。你是我的数学小老师，你不上台是这样，对不对？来，好来 ，Andy。对啊，要说明，稍微说明一下，你要把它写出来啊。他不是要你把所有的斜率求出来，你可以求出来，对不对？请你把它全部斜率求出来，那你就可以告诉同学为什么那些选项是对的。好，其他同学，那你可以趁这个时间干嘛呢？来，你可以趁这个时间看一下老师刚给你的那个单字表哈。OK， 你可以看一下那个单字表。等一下我们还会用到一些单字哈，所以呢，你可以先稍微看一下。好，那等一下老师在讲的时候，你可能会比较清楚。啊，老师在说什么东西啊？ 好 ，OK。好 ，OK， 来 ，Andy， 各位看一下黑板上面哈，我们可爱的 Andy 写出来的3条直线的斜率，你感触一下，看到来，3条直线的斜率哈，各位可以看到，来 ，Andy， 你要不要说一下？你怎么求的？对。就牵直线哦，什么东西？利用什么？斜率的什么？斜率的公式是吗 ？OK， 好，求出来，各位看到，各位帮忙看看 Andy 有没有写错哈。这么大个，那么害羞。来，这个是第1条直线的斜率哈，这第2条直线，这第3条直线。各位看一下他写出来的答案对不对？各位看看跟你写的答案不一样哈。第1条 AB 直线的斜率是负的2/3，第2条 BC 直线的斜率是3，第3条 AC 直线的斜率是1/4。好，各位看一下，可以吗？没问题哦。好，3条直线斜率求出来之后，来 Andy 可不可以告诉我，所以哪一些选项是对的？2跟4哈，2跟4。好 ，OK， 谢谢你哦。来，各位可以看到，我们用定义求出来3条直线的斜率之后，那各位可以看到这些选项的判断对你来说应该就是非常简单，对吧？对。OK， 哦，你可以很清楚可以看出来哪一些选项是对的哈。所以第一个 M1 大于0，啊，对不对？不对嘛 ，M1 求出来是负2/3，所以当然是错的。第二个 M2 大于0，对 ，OK，M2 是3。第3个，这3个斜率相乘大于0，那各位可以看到，来这3个相乘，负2/3乘3乘1/4，请问你正的还是负的？负的，对不对？好，所以第3个选项是错的。第4个 M1 加 M2 加 M3 大于0，好，这3个相加有没有大于0？有嘛 ？OK， 这应该没问题。最后一个 M3 大于 M2 大于 M1， 好，这个大小关系也很容易判断，应该是什么？哪一个最大？M2 对不对 ？M2 最大大于 M3 大于 M1， 好，就这样子。这些选项我们是不是很基本，可以判断出来 ？OK， 好，来各位，这个例题1还有随堂练习，各位做了之后，我们对于斜率的基本定义这个公式，你应该可以掌握住，对不对？好，那这边我就要问各位一个问题。来问各位一个问题啦。好，各位，我要开始转换频道了哈。来，课本例题讲完，随堂练习讲完 ，OK，back to English channel. Okay, here is a question. Just think about it, and I want volunteer, any volunteer, okay? Any volunteer to answer the question? Question is, if there are 4 distinct points on the line, A, x1, y1, point B, x2, y2, point C, x3, y3, point D, x4, y4, okay, are 4 distinct points on L. Then we use point A and B to get the slope of L is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? The definition, okay. On the other hand, we use point C and D to get the slope of L is y4 minus y3 over x4 minus x3. Are they the same? Okay, I don't want just answer. You have to show me why it is true. Okay, anybody? Anybody? Anybody here? Anyone? Why? Are they the same? Yes, but why is true? Okay, please.
Because they are the same line.
Because
They are the same line.
the same line and
And so it's
okay, take it easy.
slope is the same.
Slope is the same.
Yeah.
Why slope is the same? Because the same line. I want to show me why.
Because if we use the slope,
Yeah.
we will get the same answer.
Mm-hmm.
So their slope are the same.
So they are the same. Okay, good. But please look at here. I want you to show me why. So you have to tell me the reason. Okay? You have to tell me the reason. Why?
因为它们都是相似三角形。
Okay, like, good.
哦。
Here. Can you show me? On the blackboard? Okay, good. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, you can give me a hand, all right? Okay, this is line L. We have 4 distinct points. Suppose A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3, D, x4, y4. Okay. On the screen we say, if we use point A and B, we can get the slope is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Okay, so right? If we use point A and B to get a slope, we can get the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If we use point C and D, we can get the slope is y4 minus y3 over x4 minus x3, right? Okay, so why they are the same? Okay, he answered me why? Because, let's see. There are 2 similar triangles, right?
Yes.
Okay, these 2 triangles are similar. So their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, listen. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. So we can get x, we can get because they are similar. The corresponding sides. similar. The corresponding signs are in proportion. So we can get, okay, you can see here. This side is x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1. And this x4 minus x3, this is y4 minus y3. Okay, so you can see we can get x4 minus x3 over x2 minus x1 is equal to y4 minus y3 over y2 minus y1, right? Because they are similar. The corresponding signs are in proportion, so we can get the result. x4 minus x3 over x2 minus 1 is equal to y4 minus y3 over y2 minus y1. Okay? And then you can use this to say M1 is equal to M2. Okay? Oh, you can do it yourself. We can use the result to explain M1 is equal to M2. It's equal to M2. Okay? Oh, that's the reason. Why I want this? You have to tell me the reason. Okay? So we get a very important result. Okay, the slope of a line is fixed. No matter any two fixed points you pick, you will get the same slope. Okay? No matter any two distinct points you choose, you pick, you will get the same slope. Okay? The slope of a line is fixed. Okay, it's fixed. Okay? You not understand me? You understand? Okay? No problem? No. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. And now, according to the examples and the exercise, I want to add you one more exercise. Okay, one more exercise. Please write down the exercise in the margins of your book. Please write down the exercise in the margins of your book. And do it. Okay? And do it. If a line L passes through 3 points A, B, C, and C, K2 is the coordinate of C, C, K2, okay, it's coordinate. Then K is equal to, what is K? Okay, please. Okay, you can discuss. Okay. Can you solve it?哎，等一下，我好像漏了条件。哎，我的 A B 不见了，我刚才发现 ，sorry。OK。My fault. Okay, please. It's my fault. Please here again. A, B. I missed it. sorry. Okay. My fault. Okay. Okay, any volunteer? Want to answer me?
I don't know how to count.
You don't know why?
I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to count.
Okay, you can write down. Okay, please.
Well,
Don't be shy. Good. You have to pay attention here. Don't be nervous. Okay. X2. So X is equal to 2, right?
no.
Okay. What is X?
I'm sorry.
Okay, everyone, please to get here. Okay, it's a spatial way. Okay, it's sensitive. He used what? The triangle.
Oh.
Okay, he used the triangle, similar triangles. He does not use the slope of the line to to solve it. He uses the similar triangle. Okay, you can see this side is 8, right? This side is 8.
Yes.
Okay, and this is how much? This is 4, right? This is 4. Why this is 4? Because this point, what's the coordinate of this point? -1, 2, right? -1, 2. Okay, this point. It's -1, 2. And this point is what? This point, sorry. This point is -1, -2. So the length of the side is 4. Okay, so we use the similar triangle. This triangle is similar to this triangle. This triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay, so 8 over 4 is equal to what? Here is 4, and so here is 4, right? Here's 4. So 8 over 4 is equal to this one. This one is what? What's this one? 4. Okay, 4 over what? 2x plus 1, right? Okay. He used the similar triangles property to solve this question. Okay, another way, I want you to use the slope of the line to solve the question, because we know if we use point A and B to get the slope, so please tell me, we use point A and B to get the slope. What is the slope? A and B. What is the slope? 6 minus -2 over -1 minus 3, right? If we use point C and point B to get the slope, what is the slope? C, K2, B, -1, 6. So what's the slope? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 over -1 minus k, right? Okay? The definition of the slope. If we use A and B, these 2 points, we can get the slope is this. If we use point B and C, we can get the slope is this. But A, B, C are on the same line, right? A, B, C are on the same line. So, according to the result we got, okay, we know this slope and this slope is the same, right? We use AB to get a slope, we use BC point to get a slope, the slope is the same. So, we will get, this is -4, this is 8. Is equal to 4 over -1 and -1 minus k, okay? So we get these 2 slopes are the same, right? Then we can solve what is k. We can solve what is k, okay? Any question? So we can get the answer, okay? So different ways you can think about it, different ways. This way, we use the similar triangles, and this way, we use the slope to solve the question. We use the slope to solve the question. Okay, so today, we introduce the slope of a line. And we know the slope of a line, it means the inclination of a line. The inclination of a line. And we know the slope might be positive, might be negative, or equal to 0. Okay. it will open. Positive, negative, zero is all the slopes of the line. And you have to know, a vertical line,
教官式广播，教官式
its
广播，
slope is
10
what?
点5分有高三的
The
指
vertical
导
line.
位，请高三的
Its
班
slope
排
is
走，高三的班排走，现在请带着班排到活
Okay,
动中
that's
心，
all for
移动
today. Thank you for your
集合的方式就定位，
attention.
请高三